TheRightHairstyles AI is a brand new software that's taking the beauty and fashion industry by storm. And today, we're going to uncover 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a professional stylist, a beauty influencer, or just someone who loves experimenting with new looks, this software promises to change how you approach hairstyling. Stick around till the end, because there are a few secrets about this AI tool that could save you hours of work. First off, TheRightHairstyles AI is incredibly easy to use. Unlike other beauty tech tools that can take a steep learning curve, this software is designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it. It's as simple as uploading a photo and letting the AI work its magic. But here's the real kicker. It's not just about finding random hairstyle suggestions. TheRightHairstyles AI tailors its recommendations based on your unique face shape, hair texture, and even your personal style preferences. This means you're not stuck with generic one-size-fits-all options. It's personalized, intuitive, and honestly, a lot of fun. Another major benefit is how quickly it generates ideas. You'll get hairstyle recommendations in seconds, saving you time and frustration. If you're in a rush or need some quick inspiration for a photo shoot, this AI is going to be your best friend. It's like having a stylist at your fingertips 24/7. Now, let's talk about accuracy. TheRightHairstyles AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to assess your features and match them with hairstyles that work best for you. It's not just guessing, it's analyzing real data to give you the best possible outcomes. Plus, there's a huge variety of hairstyles to choose from. Whether you're into classic looks or want something more edgy, this AI has a vast library of styles that covers every taste. And because it keeps updating, you'll always have access to the latest trends without having to search all over the internet. One thing I really love about this software is how it can help you make decisions before committing. If you're considering a drastic change, seeing how you'll look with different styles first can save you from buyer's regret, and you can try it all before you even step into a salon or start a new cut at home. TheRightHairstyles AI also excels in providing realistic results. You won't get photoshopped or overly exaggerated styles. Everything is tailored to look natural on your own features, making it super useful for virtual consultations with clients or friends. And before I forget, you can actually try this software completely free through the link below. This is an exclusive chance to get hands-on with this AI and see for yourself why it's already becoming a go-to tool for stylists and beauty lovers everywhere. In conclusion, after trying thousands of AI tools in the market, TheRightHairstyles AI stands out for its ease of use, customization, speed, and realistic results. If you're looking to upgrade your hairstyling game, this is the software you want to check out. Don't forget to visit the link below to try it for free, and be sure to check out the other AI tools I recommend in the description for more amazing features.